welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to innovate a couple of your leftovers. So I have my yesterday's pot rice leftover, okay, and I have a couple of spring roll sheets with me and some leftover mung bean sprouts. So let's go ahead and try to innovate and make a spring roll out of it. So I'll show you how to do that. So you have your one pot rice, yesterday's one pot rice. In case if you have not seen the recipe for this, what I will do is I will put the link on the description box. Okay, so I'm going to use this, which was leftover of yesterday's pot rice, to make my spring rolls. Okay, so let's get started. So what I've done now is I've taken a spring roll sheet and filled it with rice and the mung bean and made parcels like these. Okay, now what I'm going to do is fry them. So what I've done now is I've deep fried them. I'm going to take it off from my hot pot. So I've deep fried these spring rolls, which is filled with rice, my pot rice. Okay, look how they look now. Nice and crunchy and delicious to eat. So another way to innovate something with leftovers and make it more delicious and tasty. Alright, if you like this recipe, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the like and the bell icon so that you get further notification about such recipes in future. Alright then, thank you so much for watching.